How you doing, folks? This is JP Carlo. I'm down here at Imperial Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in the little town of Mendon, Massachusetts. What we have today is the 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. Very, very, very nice car. Obviously, with pricing being what they are on SUVs and the interest rates being what they are, plus the gas mileage savings, you're looking at probably true operating costs, maybe one half of what it would be to operate an equivalent in an SUV with this much space, like a Suburban or a Grand Wagoneer. Maybe more than half, less than half rather, as far as the true operating expense between insurance, gas, cost of buying, cost of interest, sales tax, so on and so forth. So obviously, this is a very, very good option going forward for a lot of people. Additionally, because it's a hybrid, depending on what state you live in, if you're in one of the CARB states like Massachusetts, Rhode Island, New York, anywhere around here, California, you're also going to be getting some monies from the state, and the federal government is also giving you $7,500 in tax credits on this. So you're going to be getting $7,500 back from the feds for sure. Additionally, your state, if it's Massachusetts, is $1,500. So if you were buying in Massachusetts, you're looking at taking $9,000 off the cost of this car, just in straight rebates, plus whatever other rebates might be available. And you can see that financially, plus the economy of it and the savings and the tax savings and the interest savings, this is quite the option.